seen lamps here in a long time, like this one. $34.99. Alright friends, so we are back from Ross. There wasn't a lot new in store, so I didn't really pick up anything, but I did want to share with you a few new home decor items that I did pick up for my home. And the first is this Liagre book. I hope I'm saying that right. I have always wanted this book, and it's been so expensive. And recently I found it on Amazon. I want to say it was around $60. So let me just show you the book real quick. Okay, I set our little man to the side, and here is the book. And it's a book of architecture. You guys know I love a good coffee table book. And as I said, I've been wanting this book for quite some time. And finally, it became affordable, or what I consider affordable, whereas before it was over $100. I was able to pick it up for just $60, guys, and this book is amazing. It has so many wonderful photos of rooms and decor and just, oh gosh, so many inspiring things in this book that I absolutely love. And I highly recommend. You guys know I love big, oversized coffee table books. And this one fits that bill. It is black and white. Absolutely love it. I will have it linked in my Amazon storefront, which you can shop 24/7. And when you do, I do get a small commission. So thank you so much in advance for that. Item that I picked up is this vase, also from Amazon. You guys know I love a good textured vase, and I saw this first on Decorating with Mimi. I saw it in one of her videos. I'm thinking I need that vase, but I didn't want to spend the money. But then again, I saw it again, this time on the House of Valentina. And I think, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and get this vase. I think it would look perfect here in my entryway. So I did go ahead and get it. Again, this is from Amazon. I don't remember how much it is, and it might even be on sale currently due to Amazon Prime Day. So I will have this linked in my Amazon storefront as well, in case you are interested in finding a vase. But I think this will be perfect. Absolutely love it. I have it sitting here for now, but it won't stay here. I'm thinking about putting it in my loft area when we redecorate up there, but for now it is sitting here, and I absolutely love it. next home decor piece that I got is this little piece. I saw the House of Valentina feature something like this, and I thought this would be perfect for the makeover in my primary bath, to put my rings and things in when I'm getting ready to take a bath. And I got this from Wayfair, again for a very affordable price. I absolutely love it. I want to say it was about $30, and you cannot go wrong, especially because this was billed, or the description was that it was oversized. So I absolutely love it, and I think it's perfect for summer, but it can be used to decorate anytime really. But I love the texture, I love the look, you cannot go wrong with it. So this is something that I would recommend if you're looking for something like that, maybe to decorate for summer or just for any time of the season. I would highly recommend, and I will have this linked in my description box down below in case you care to pick one up for yourself. And then the other thing that I picked up from Temu is this little coral piece. Again, I'm looking for these little items to put in my primary bath refresh, and I thought this would be perfect. I want to say this was like $30, so a little pricey for what it is. It said this was marble, but it's not marble. It's just really a ceramic type vase, and this is not real coral, but it looks really nice. As you can see, again, loving the texture. I think this will be perfect for my primary bath refresh. I'm doing some redecorating in there, and the reason I went to Ross is that I've been on the hunt for this set of artwork. I haven't been able to find it yet, so I'm still on the hunt for it, but I think it will be perfect for my primary refresh. The piece that I'm looking for is some wall art, but it's metal wall art, similar to the art, or kind of sorta, to what I picked up in my powder room, but it's 3 separate pieces, and again, it's black and textured. So I'm on the hunt for that, and when I find that, we'll do a master or primary bath refresh. But I absolutely love this piece. Again, it came from Temu. I want to say it was about $30, so I will have it linked in case you're interested as well. But I absolutely love it. So guys, that is everything that I picked up that I wanted to share with you. I hope you have enjoyed today's video and it inspired you. If so, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I have lots of budget-friendly, quiet luxury, home decorating inspiration coming your way that you don't want to miss. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.